Hey everyone, Chris McKay from Maginative here. Some big news just dropped from OpenAI, and I figured I'd just jump on and make a quick video about it. So, we've been covering this story for a few months now, and it's finally official. OpenAI has raised a whopping $6.6 billion in their new funding round. Yep, you heard that right. That's billion with a B. This makes it officially the biggest VC investment in history. That's a big deal. Congrats to the company. But it's now pushed OpenAI's valuation to $157 billion. I mean, I think when it comes to VC startups that are still private in that range, you may have a couple companies like I think SpaceX is probably around that, and maybe Stripe. Maybe. In any case, OpenAI is in a very exclusive club right now. And the crazy part is that $157 billion is more than double what they were worth just 9 months ago. That is crazy growth for a startup. The round was led by Thrive Capital. They invested, I think, $1.3 billion. Plus, of course, there was Microsoft, NVIDIA. NVIDIA is basically investing in every good AI startup today. And of course, SoftBank invested $500 million. There's Tiger Global and UAE's new hot AI startup investment fund called MGX. And then finally, Altimeter Capital. Altimeter is Sam Altman's brother, Jack Altman. He owns that company. And one thing to note here is that Thrive Capital got a sweet deal. They can invest an additional $1 billion by the end of 2025 at the same valuation. So this round could grow. Anyways, the main question that people tend to ask, especially when you have funding rounds this large, is it worth it, right? Is OpenAI worth $157 billion? Well, not right now. Yes, they bring in good money selling access to their models and to ChatGPT. I think this year they'll bring in $3.7 billion from ChatGPT, and next year they expect that to be $11.6 billion. So, pretty good. But building frontier models is super expensive. We have said that before. You have to think they spend a lot on infrastructure and to train the models. So far, OpenAI has reportedly spent $7 billion. Then they need to attract top talent and retain them. And ChatGPT reportedly costs $700,000 per day to run. In fact, this year they're expected to lose up to $5 billion. Now, to be clear, it's not uncommon for companies to invest in high growth startups that are incurring losses. I mean, Facebook, Tesla, a lot of these big companies today incurred losses a lot in their early years. And there is no right or wrong way to value a startup, especially in a new space like AI. The companies that are investing in them are not doing it based on how much they're valued today, but on their future earning potential. So for OpenAI, they're focusing on their research and building their models, and ultimately they want to build AGI, artificial general intelligence. And so the question is, if OpenAI is able to crack AGI, does $157 billion look like a steal? Maybe. If they're not, well, these companies will be taking a big L. Anyways, think about it. That's the biggest story from Maginative today. Until next time, one love.